In this video, we'll show you how to build a fully dynamic YouTube channel analytics dashboard in Excel using Claude AI. With just one click, your entire dashboard is created automatically. Sounds crazy, right? Let's get started. As you can see, this dataset contains YouTube analytics data from 2025 up to the current month of 2026. If you need this dataset, you can download it from the link in the video description. Now, let's begin. Open Google and search for Claude AI. Click the first official Claude AI website. Sign in using your Google account. Now you're on the Claude AI homepage. We'll be using the free version, so don't worry, it works perfectly. Now click the model selector in Claude AI and change it from Sonnet Medium to High. Now copy the prompt. You can download it from the link in the video description. Paste the prompt into Claude AI and press Enter. Within a few seconds, Claude AI will generate the complete VBA code for this dashboard. Once the code generation is finished, click Download. Now open the downloaded file. You'll find the complete VBA code inside. Copy the entire code. Next, open Excel. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Click Insert, then select Module. Rename the module to Dashboard. Now paste the VBA code. Close the VBA editor and return to Excel. Go to the Insert tab. Click Shapes and choose a rounded rectangle. Draw the button on the right side of your data. Set the shape fill color to brick red. Set the shape outline color to white. Then, go to Shape Effects and apply an outer shadow. Next, center align the text. Now type Create YouTube Analytics Dashboard on the button. Right-click the button and choose Assign Macro. Select Build YouTube Analytics Dashboard, then click OK. Right now, we only have the raw data sheet. Let's click the button and see what happens. Wow! In just a few seconds, the VBA code automatically creates the pivot sheet and the dashboard sheet. Just think about how much manual work this saves. It automatically creates 5 KPI cards, 2 dynamic slicers, 5 professional charts, and applies a beautiful YouTube-style color theme with header. Now let's see whether everything is dynamic. I'll change the slicer. Every KPI card and chart updates instantly. Now let's open the pivot sheet. Perfect! It has automatically created 6 pivot tables with properly formatted headers. And that's it. Using just one prompt and Claude AI, we've built a fully dynamic YouTube analytics dashboard in Excel. We hope you got the same dashboard successfully. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.